YouTube, JP's back with another one of the videos. I was going to do a camp tonight, but that got canned as my boss phoned me up a couple of hours ago. A friend of mine in work, Joe, hope you get well, Joe. Joe isn't well, so I'm going to go and fill the boots in work and see that the job's done there. So I can't really do a camp because I'm up at half 5 in the morning basically. So this leads me on to this video. Why is this kit and equipment out in front of me? Regarding my last video, the bug out bag, there's quite a few people said, you know, we can't actually see the kit. And the reason behind that was, I did explain to someone, it was an add-on from my last one where all the kit and equipment could be seen quite clearly. And a friend of mine, Ryan, suggested, he said, well, why don't you just pull out a little bit of it and just do a bit of a talk on it and he's right, you know, he's right. So what I've decided to do is err on the side of tactics now, as in the tactical sort of side of it. Some of this kit here, well, all this kit here is in my bug out bag, so I've just taken out bits of it. And so what I want to do is give you a bit of a talk on the sort of a tactical side. And I've only just found out something about this now, which may improve some of my future videos, but I'll get onto it. Okay, what have we got to start with then? The night vision goggles themselves. Now, these are the Pulsar GS, the Pulsar Edge GS 1x20. Build quality is excellent. They're a first generation night vision goggle. The build quality is excellent. I would suggest the performance is okay. It's okay. Now you're probably thinking, why would I say it's just okay and everything? But then you have to bear in mind I've been using military equipment as well, which far exceeds the capabilities of all this kit. So yeah, it is okay. Price wise, you're looking at shy over 500 quid. It's got a built-in IR torch, which isn't the brightest, but again, you can get from A to B at night in complete darkness. Do I rate it? I rate it highly. I massively rate this. It's a great bit of kit and wouldn't be without it. Why did I put it in my bug out bag? I mentioned it. We don't know why we're bugging out. So that said, you know, if we have to bug out tactically, then you can achieve it with this. So yeah, the Pulsar Edge GS 1x20, shy over 500 quid. Excellent bit of kit. It really is an excellent bit of kit. It's powered by 2 AA batteries. I lie. 2 AAA batteries. 2 AAA batteries, and the battery life themselves, they've been in there ages. I always check my battery ports to make sure that you don't get that build-up of that stuff, whatever it is, corrosion I think it is. Yeah, so I always do check and everything, get, you know, have a good look in there. Excellent bit of kit, absolutely top bit of kit for the money. Would I be without it in the bug out bag? Reluctantly. Leads me on to the LED Ray Tracer IR. It's an IR torch. I paid 50 quid for it. There's 3 AAA batteries in here. I've only just found out now that, I mean, I can't see that. Hang on a sec. They are. That there's probably light reflecting on there. Now, I didn't think the GoPro picked up infrared, and I'll find out tonight, because what I'm going to do is try and film something with using this as an illuminator, and if that's the case, I can't wait to do some more night videos. Yeah, this cost me 55 quid, and work, you know, obviously you need night vision to see the infrared, or black light as they call it, or nicknamed. In conjunction with that, it's excellent. It's got a 450 meter beam, and if you can wind it down into like a big floodlight as well, it's an excellent bit of kit. It's a game changer. So I've got that there. Again, an asset. I would call that an asset. What have we got? Distress signal. 2 AA's power in this. I'm waiting for that audio tick. Yeah, now that's going off now. I've got the IR shield over that, which can be removed, which I'm about to remove it in a second there. Again, can be work in conjunction with the night vision goggles, say you're marking a position at night or whatever like that. Or are you trying to guide in an aircraft of some nature tactically? Then so be it with the infrared cover. But cover comes off, and there she goes. An excellent bit of kit, and I would say, yeah, there are other ways of, you know, signalling people, but it's excellent. It really is excellent. And as I mentioned in my bug out bag video, what you could do is make a giant tripod, pin out, say, your tinfoil blanket, you know, them ones that, you know, keep you warm, hang that over it, and there's a massive beacon there. It, you know, you can't fail to be saved with one of these things. Again, a couple of pencil batteries in there, the AA's, and the battery life is immense in them. They go for ages. What I have noticed though, when your batteries run out in one of these, the flashes, it's like flash, and then there's a longer wait, and another flash and everything, which gives the indication that the batteries are running out in it. But yeah, there is another feature with this which I'm not going to show you, but because everyone will be buying them and sticking them on the dashboards of their cars and things, and then winding everyone up. Yeah, okay, so yeah, that's the tactical strobe basically. So you can use it tactical or non-tactical. Yeah, it's an excellent bit of kit, and I would suggest a must for a bug out bag. The Gerber Recon. Now this is a pencil battery, one pencil, one AA battery in there, and I love it. I've had this for, I would say, about 15 years now, I think. And you've got white, red, green, and blue. And it's that battery in there will last absolutely forever. It will. I think that battery has been in there forever. Again, I check my ports to make sure that there's no corrosion building up and whatnot. That's even been through the wash and everything, that has. What do I like about it? It's battery life, and it is tactical as well. You know, it's not, you know, that massive beam of light everywhere. It does have a drawback though, depending on which colour you're using. Now, white light is the obvious one. You ruin your natural night vision. So we try and avoid using that. So let's say you was to select blue, for instance. If you're check naving at night and you're looking at your map, you're probably not going to see a river. It'll be just completely invisible on the map because you're using a blue light, and blue is obviously denoted as a river on a map. What else have we got there? Green. Forestry blocks will seem to disappear as well, so you won't be able to see forestry blocks. And red hides contour lines and danger areas if your map does have danger areas. So yeah, your red will hide contour lines, so you can't really see undulating ground and stuff like that. So yeah, they all serve a purpose, and traditionally what they do in the military would be, if you are going to check nav, get on the floor, chuck say a Gore-Tex jacket over you and stick the white light on, you know, because you need to be sure where you're patrolling. You're heading towards a river, forestry block, you know, you need to be, or contour lines and everything. There is nothing like white light, but you do ruin your natural night vision. What I'm going to do is start picking out little bits of kit and just giving a bit of a more in-depth talk about it. But yeah, really rate this lot highly, and that's why it's in my bug out bag. Hey, take it easy guys. Ta-ra now.